myself Ritu Sharma from TRM Public School. Today I am going to express you chapter 1 of English class 10th. The name of the chapter is A Triumph of Surgery by James Herriot. As I have written the main points of the story, so I would like to explain the story on behalf of these points. My first point is about the author. Second, I will express the theme of the story, and third is the summary of the chapter. The first point of the summary, these are the sub points of the summary of the chapter. So first point is the doctor worried. James Herriot advises Mrs. Pamphray. Next point is Tricky falls ill, and next is Tricky at hospital. Again, next point, rapid progress, and the last point is the grateful Mrs. Pamphray. So I come to my first point. James Herriot. I'll tell you introduction of the author. James Herriot White. Herriot was an English veterinary surgeon and writer. He was born on 3rd October 1916 in Sunderland, England. James Herriot was his pen name. Being a noted veterinary surgeon, he utilized his vast experience in writing stories about animals. He wrote a series of books of stories about animals and their masters. James Herriot White. James Herriot died on 23rd February 1995 at the age of 78. Now I come to the theme of the story. The story, A Triumph of Surgery, revolves around an ill dog named Tricky and his mistress. ये जो कहानी है ये डॉग था जिसका नाम ट्रिकी था, उसके विषय में ये सारी कहानी है. उसकी जो मिस्ट्रेस थी, शी वॉज वेरी मच केयरफुल about her dog, and she was very much worried about her dog's health. Mrs. Pamphray. The dog was hugely fat. His eyes were blood red and dreamy. Mrs. Pamphray gave her malt, cod liver oil, and bowl of Horlicks. Still, Tricky had no energy. The doctor advised her to cut down on sweet things. Tricky left eating and kept vomiting. He was to be hospitalized. The doctor gave Tricky nothing to eat for first 2 days except water. On the third day, there were signs of improvement. He started taking interest in food. The doctor did not give him any medical treatment. Tricky used to run with the other dogs of the house. He recovered completely. Soon he recovered completely. Mrs. Pamphray continued inquiring about Tricky on phone. When she came to collect the dog, tears were shining in her eyes. She called this magical recovery a triumph of surgery. She felt that this is the triumph of surgery, triumph of medical, victory of medical. When her dog came to better health, she felt happiness. Now I come to the short summary of the chapter. So my first point is the doctor worried. The doctor worried about the health of Tricky. Tricky had become very fat. He looks like a bloated sausage, a piece of meat. Bloated sausage means a piece of meat. His eyes are red and dreamy. Mrs. Pamphray is the mistress of the dog. She has given him malt and cod liver oil and a bowl of Horlicks every night, but nothing works. She did not give to her dog to do any work. He used to sit and eat and eat and eat every time. So he became very fat. So the second point is James Herriot advises Mrs. Pamphray. Herriot realizes that Tricky's only fault was greed for food. Dr. James Herriot advises Mrs. Pamphray that she must cut Tricky's food right down. She must give the dog some exercise. She must keep him on a very strict diet, otherwise he will fall ill. वो कहता है कि उसको डॉग को स्ट्रिक्ट डाइट पर रखना है, अदरवाइज वो बीमार हो जाएगा. वो मिसेस पैम्फ्रे को डॉक्टर हैरियट जो है वो एडवाइस करते हैं टू कीप द डॉग ऑन स्ट्रिक्ट डाइट. नेक्स्ट पॉइंट इज ट्रिकी फॉल्स ill. With a few days, Dr. Harriet receives a call from Mrs. Pambre. She tells him that Tricky doesn't eat anything and he is restless, and she was very much worried about the dog. So she phoned to Dr. Harriet about the ill health of the dog, and he started bouting of vomiting. He only lies down on the rug panting. The doctor advised her that Tricky needs to be hospitalized for a fortnight. He is to be kept under observation. डॉक्टर ने कहा कि उसको ऑब्जर्वेशन में रखना होगा एंड ही शुड बी हॉस्पिटलाइज्ड. नेक्स्ट पॉइंट इज ट्रिकी एट हॉस्पिटल. अब ट्रिकी हॉस्पिटल पहुंच जाता है. एट द सर्जरी द हाउसहोल्ड dog surged around Tricky. They were moving around Tricky, but he was not reacting about their movements. He sees them lying motionless. A bed for Tricky is made in a warm loose box. For 2 days, no food is given to him, but plenty of water. On the second day, he starts taking some interest in his surroundings. On the third day, he begins to whimper when he hears dogs in the yard. Tricky starts taking a walk around the bowls, looking casually inside one or two of them. He started taking interest in the food after 2 days. On third day, and he started moving here and there, running here and there after the other dogs of the surgery of the hospital. Next point is rapid progress. My next point is rapid progress. Tricky's progress is very rapid. He has no medical treatment of any kind. Doctor did not give any medical treatment. He kept on fasting for 2 days, and on third day he started reacting to the other things. He runs about the dogs, joining their friendly barkings. He starts fighting for his share of food and hunts rats at night. Dr. Harriet tells Mrs. Pambre that Tricky is not in danger and recovering rapidly. Mrs. Pambre starts bringing eggs, 2 dozens a time, to build up his health and his strength. Wine and brandy are given to improve Tricky's constitution. The doctor informs that Tricky had recovered and Mrs. Pambre can collect him. डॉक्टर उनको बोलते हैं कि वो ठीक हो गया है. जब उन्होंने उन्हें मिसेस पैम्फ्रे को इन्फॉर्मेशन दी दैट नाउ ही इज़ वेल, सो शी स्टार्टेड सेंडिंग द 2 dozens eggs every time and bottles of brandy and wine for the improvement of the health of Tricky. And at last, after 15 days, Dr. Harriet informed to Mrs. Pamfre that she can collect her dog. Next point is, and this is the last point of the story, grateful Mrs. Pamfre. Mrs. Pamfre became very much grateful when she saw the condition of the dog. She became very happy. Within 2 weeks, Tricky has been transformed into a flexible, hard-muscled animal. He is stretching out in great bounds. When Tricky sees his mistress, he leaps and sails into her lap. As the car moves away, Mrs. Pamfre leans out of the window. Her lips tremble and tears shine in her eyes. She says, "Oh, Mr. Harriet, how can I ever thank you? This is really a triumph of surgery." To see the condition of Tricky, she became very happy and thanked to Dr. Harriet in these words that this is really the triumph of surgery and how can I thank you.